Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the app cannot update when it's open in the Microsoft Store. So it says select retry to close and update the app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to actually close out of whatever application you're experiencing this issue with, and then attempt to relaunch it and see if that resolves the issue. Something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best match, or go back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up and give that a moment here. And then hopefully at this point, once the Microsoft Store reopens, you should be good to go. And finally, one final thing we can explore if we open up the search menu again and type in settings this time. Go ahead and select the settings app. And now select apps on the left side, select installed apps, and now go down to whatever app you're having the problem with and select the three-dotted icon on the right side of it and select where it says advanced options. Scroll down underneath reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. Attempt to relaunch the application and see if the issue has been resolved. If not, you can select the second option here. If the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. Give that a moment here. At this point, I would suggest restarting your computer. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.